everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Google Sheet to Excel. Let's begin with your open Google Sheets file. At the top left corner, click on the File menu. You will find this in the main menu bar. From the drop-down list, hover over Download. A submenu will appear with different file options. Click on Microsoft Excel .xlsx. That's the option to download your file as an Excel spreadsheet. After clicking, the file will automatically start downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it will either be saved to your Downloads folder or it will ask you to choose a location. Once the download is complete, you'll have an Excel version of your Google Sheet. You can see in my Downloads folder that the file name is the same. When you open the file in Excel, most formatting will still be there. But keep in mind that some advanced Google Sheets features, like certain add-ons or formulas specific to Google, may not fully transfer. So, that is how you convert a Google Sheet to Excel. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.